Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S52 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So to get started, let's lock the device and pop the flap right here to get access to the tray itself. There we go. You can see that it has come out now. And now, in normal circumstances, I'm pretty sure you should be able to just pull that out with your fingernail, but for some reason I just can't, so I'm gonna use this to pry it out of there. There we go. So you'll see that now I can actually grab this, and from here I have access to a SD tray, which is the first one from the edge, and then two different SIM trays. So place them on the tray, make sure that they're laying flush on here as they are right now, and then slide it back into the device. There we go. And you can see there's already the pin for the SIM card, so I'm gonna confirm that. And I can already see also the SD card, and it apparently needs to reboot, so let's give it a moment. And let's, I guess, put the pattern or pin again. And you can see that there's also the SD card. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.